Hi Telugu One viewers, I am Dr. Janaki Srinath, Senior Consultant Nutritionist. Today talking about the need for a family nutrition plan to get the maximum benefit with least effort and for the entire family, because we live as family units, and today the criticality of nutrition and taking good food is a need of the hour to enable the family to have a healthy lifespan and more productivity, optimal performance with less sick days and less hospital care. So today the family is compromised of at least one person suffering from diabetes, or one person might have the risk for hypertension, or a child who is into sports, or a finicky eater who is underweight. If such a situation, to reduce the burden on the house in charge, or the menu in charge, the housewife, it is better that the family as a unit sits together and works out different options to further diets or the family menu plan, so that each one's health goals are taken care, but at the same time their choices and meal options are also considered, reducing the burden on the homemaker, her time and the frustration she has if she is unable to meet the requirements of the diverse needs of 4 different family members. So sitting together and understanding the foundation of the nutrition, taking help of professional help of a nutritionist to guide you into options which can be common for all the 4 members, unit members, at least for the major meals and few meals, would go in a long way to reduce the friction associated with such a thing, enhance acceptance by all the family members. The child's needs and specific nutritional requirements under a professional guidance can be brought out in the form of snacks or breakfast options which are easy to make. At the same time, the child's nutritional needs are not compromised. Handful of nuts or fruit juices, flavored milks, milk smoothies can go in a long way to support the finicky child's eating habit to ensure optimal calories or energy needs are met by her. And taking help of pre-packaged healthy options like a cereal bar or myriad of cereal options, flavored yogurts or flavored soya milk can be used for the child to add the additional healthy calories and protein options. The foundation of choosing healthy cereals or the grains in the family are equal to everybody. Maybe if it is a child, even if the child is underweight, or if the child is in the sports, or if somebody has a diabetes or hypertension. So try to use at least 3 different grains as a foundation for the basic meals like breakfast, lunch and dinner, making it easy for the homemaker to balance the nutritional requirements. Make sure everybody gets different the vegetable and fruit intake, which could be a source of micronutrients for everybody. Yes, if you try to use a variety over the week, everybody can consume most of the common foods which are available, instead of looking out for, okay, this should not be eaten by this person, or this should not be eaten by the other person. All fruits can be got into it. Making sure that a healthy cooking oil is used to cook the meals, it is the same for everybody. It need not be different. The child need not be given a different cooking oil. Blended cooking oils should form the key of family meals. And if you want to give additional oils or additional fat calories, nuts or cheese slices can be always given to the children to add to the extra fat and fat portions and energy nutrients to the children, instead not compromising on the curries or the food preparations being made. Healthy protein options are the same for most of the family members. Boiled eggs, occasional omelets or poached eggs, grilled fish or fish cooked in healthy form, country chicken go a long way to providing healthy protein options for the entire family, whether the person has diabetes or hypertension. Incorporating weekly once tofu, soya nuggets will definitely we will be able to balance the unwanted saturated fat intake into the body. Healthy cooking methods are the key, not the avoidance of total non-vegetarian options. Optimal amount of milk will go a long way to provide the calcium, but you can choose to go for a low fat milk option in different forms, so that you are not compromising on the cholesterol levels or reducing the saturated fat intake. It is the same for everybody, but you can give additional fat sources in the form of nuts, or in the form of nuts given in various forms, or maybe some sweet meat to the child.